Assalamualaikum, this is Tahira Riaz and welcome to STEM International Publishers। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमने पहले लेक्चर समझा था, उससे अच्छी तरह हमने सुना भी था। तो अब हम करने जा रहे हैं उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व। सो आप लोग भी अपनी बुक्स ओपन कर लें और इस एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व कर लें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। वाघा एंड थरपारकर आर द टू रूट्स बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड India, Afghanistan, Iran, China. So the correct option is India, option A.
Number 2, Dash is located to the northeast of Pakistan. The correct option is China.
Dash and Gilgit-Baltistan are the border areas of Pakistan and China. Lahore, Peshawar, Islamabad, Hunza. So option D, Hunza is the correct option. Afghanistan is entirely enclosed by water, land, flowers, people. So the correct option is option B. Afghanistan is entirely enclosed by land. Which is the national animal of Pakistan? Jasmine, peacock, markhor, elephant. So option C is correct. Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. So next is answer the questions. Write the names of neighboring countries of Pakistan. So neighboring countries of Pakistan are India, Iran, China and Afghanistan. Which is a route of friendship and trade between Pakistan and China? Karakoram Highway is the route of friendship and trade between Pakistan and China. Which country first recognized Pakistan as an independent country? Iran. Iran recognized Pakistan as an independent country. What do you mean by national symbols? National symbols are special things that represent our country, Pakistan. So our national symbols include national flag, national anthem, national flower and national animal. How can we respect our national symbols? To show respect for our national symbols, we should stand up when the national anthem is played, take care of the national flag and never let it touch the ground, learn about these symbols and share their meaning with others. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. So the first one is Pakistan is an independent country. Yes, Pakistan is an independent country. So you are supposed to write T over here. India is located to the west of Pakistan. It's false. India is located to the east of Pakistan basically. Beijing is the capital city of China. Yes, Beijing is the capital city of China. So it's true. The people of Iran are famous for their bravery. No. People of Afghanistan are famous for their bravery, so it's false.
5. There is a railway line from Quetta to Zahdan. This statement is true.
India is located to the dash of Pakistan. India is located to the east of Pakistan. China is a communist country. Afghanistan shares longest common border called Neighbouring line with Pakistan. Tehran is the capital city of Iran.
The number 5. Dash is a national flower of Pakistan. Jasmine.
Next, match countries with their flags. ईरान का जो फ्लैग है वो थर्ड वाला है, थर्ड नंबर पे जो है वो ईरान का फ्लैग है। अफगानिस्तान का फोर्थ है जो सबसे लास्ट पे है। चाइना का जो फ्लैग है वो सेकंड नंबर पे है जिस पे स्टार्स बने हुए हैं। और इंडिया का जो फ्लैग है वो फर्स्ट वाला है जो सबसे ऊपर बना हुआ है। जी प्यारे बच्चों, ये थी आज की हमारी एक्सरसाइज जिसे हमने सॉल्व किया। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपने भी इसे अपनी बुक्स पर सॉल्व कर लिया होगा। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।